My project for today is going to be adding this storage for my flat disc, my cutting and grinding wheels. Before I get started on this storage project, I want to get some primer put on this bare metal. I'm just going to real quickly go over this metal with the wire wheel, and then I'm going to wipe it down with some paint thinner. I'm just trying to get a little bit of that mill scale off. Doesn't have to be perfect. I like to wipe bare metal down with paint thinner or acetone if I'm going to rattle can it. You may notice right here that the shade of gray changes colors. I actually end up using 5 different cans of gray primer on this. I got a couple different sheens and a couple different brands, and they're just some leftover cans from other projects, and the main goal is just to get something over this bare metal. I may end up painting the whole thing a color later on, but we're going to continue to add storage underneath this thing. So for now, I'm just trying to get some bare metal covered up. This is some 1/2-inch round rod that I'm going to use to hold all my disc and wheels. And I don't have a metal cutting bandsaw, so I've just got my porta-band clamped up in my vise, which I do quite a bit for cutting metal. I'm sure this is pretty obvious, but this is just an easier way for me to break that sharp edge after cutting this rod. Now we're going to knock down our freshly primed metal here and get started welding these things on. They do sell a weld-through primer. I have never bought or used any before. I already got the bottom row done. I've got the bottom row spaced out a little further for my 6 and 7-inch disc and wheels. I don't know if you can tell the gray is different. I've got 5 different types of primer on this thing. You know, I just wanted to get the bare metal covered up, and still hadn't painted the bottom. I don't even know if I'm going to spray that, but you know, as I add stuff to it, I'll have to knock the primer off. Anyways, we got it done, and the thing with this is if I don't like it, you know, you just cut it off and grind it smooth, and you never even know it was there. All right, let's fab up this. Now, I'd thought about making one that swings out. I may do that so that I can get it lower. I'm not real sure. All right, well, here's the end result. I've got some 6-inch, I got a few 7-inch over here. This is all 4.5 in the top. If I need to, I can always add another level up here. I've got a lot more modifications to this welding table coming up. I'll see you on the next one.